Hey, this is Dan Gershenson. There's three things that I always think a small business owner needs when they're trying to have a foundation for a brand or even to elevate their existing brand. Those three things are knowing your ideal client, knowing the messaging that really speaks to that ideal client, and then as a result of those two things, leveraging your strengths towards that ideal client to really knock out your competition who might strive to speak to them in a compelling way, but won't as much as you will. Forget all of those types of courses or lectures that you might have experienced where the speaker is talking next to a PowerPoint and you're just listening. None of that here. We're going to do an experience that allows you to follow some of my recommendations on video, but then we're going to get together to talk about them even in more detail as it applies to you, so that by the time these sessions are over, you'll have three very important takeaways. So the first session is going to focus purely on the ideal client that you need to get for your business. We're talking about the kind of client that you say, gosh, I wish I could have 10 of these. And we're going to drill down in more detail, way beyond anything you've probably seen as far as not just male and female or a certain age group, but what really motivates them? What gets them excited that you may have a solution? So we'll explore those solutions rather than just talking about your services. Once we have that down, we'll talk in greater detail about what kind of messaging you might want to apply those solutions to. Your website, your social media, your email, and more. Once we have those two elements down, your ideal client and your messaging, we'll be able to combine both of those to look at who your true competitors are. And with that in tow, we can see what are they saying towards your ideal client? What's their messaging? And how can you leverage your messaging in a more compelling way that speaks to your strengths, your specific strengths for your business, that allow you to take them out of the equation entirely, changing the conversations that you have with prospects so that you're looking for a mutual fit rather than just pitching, selling, and hoping. It's an offer that couldn't be priced at a better value than it is right now. So I encourage you to sign up, and I look forward to seeing you for our time together through some very interactive sessions. See you then.